Hello, my name is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie, and today I just wanted to do a quick little walkthrough on this Sunliner Sport that we just got in. It is a 230 and it's a 2022 Harris Pontoon. And let's hop aboard and take a look at what this boat has to offer. So we can see that it is powered by the 175 Mercury, and we've got the sun lounger layout. We've got the rail package as well, so you can sit facing backwards even when the boat is underway. We've got plenty of storage, so all this opens up. You can put your things back here, and this one does have the upgraded sound system, so you do have the 6 speakers. You can control your sound from back here as well. We've got the sport tower and the bimini, and then here we also have plenty of storage on this side as well. We've got our battery in this section right here. We've got stainless steel cup holders all throughout. In the helm area, you can see where it does have the upgraded JL audio, wireless charging, as well as the 12 volt and the USBs. Simrad, and then here we also have the digital throttle, which makes for super smooth shifting, and really nice ski locker space as well, so lots of room for your skis, tubes, things like that. And then my favorite feature on this boat is the RGB lighting underneath the seats. It's very cool, looks really nice at nighttime as well. And then lots of comfortable seating. You have the cup holders and USB, so everybody's iPhones, iPads stay charged. More storage. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any other boat on our website, feel free to give us a shout. Again, this is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie, and our phone number is 803-831-2101. Thank you.